Hello guys, we're back with some Call of Duty. Here we go. Alright, we're using some scumbaggy FAO classes today. Me versus Dakota, or aka Quad Dude. So yeah, let's get started.
Let's do this. Go. Oh, I forgot to put on rapid fire. No, I didn't.
Oh my gosh. So hang on, don't move. Here, don't move right now. Don't move. I need to show everybody my scumbaggy weapon. So I got FAO full metal jacket, quick draw, and select fire, which is very scumbaggy. Ghost lightweight, cold blooded, toughness, tactical mask, because I know Dakota and his flashbangs. C4, 2 shock charges, and yeah. So that's my class. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is just scumbag time. So we're going to 15. After this, I plan to have another gunfight afterwards, because we want to see what's better with the FAL. So I'm like, hey, why don't we just record? So after this, we're going to use a different weapon, and so yeah. Say hi, Dakota. Say hi.
Oh, that was the car.
Say hi to YouTube, Dakota.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
What's up? I don't know if they can hear you. Try to talk louder.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
So he has a YouTube too. If you want to go sub to him, his name is Quad Dude. He makes pretty interesting videos. But this select fire, actually, I thought select fire would be way quicker, but I guess I'm surprised it's really not, because it'd be overpowered if it went way quicker. Honestly, I thought it'd be like a machine gun with overpowered. Oh, dude, sometimes I just feel like you have hacked or something like that. I mean, I know you don't, but it's just the feeling, because I've never used this weapon, and I've never really played against someone who, I mean, honestly, have such a scumbagish weapon.
Use the same tactics.
What? Select fire? Oh, yeah. Big time.
Not attachments. Not attachments. Like.
Dude, I'm so surprised you haven't used your flashbangs yet.
I just told you what you have.
What?
You said you had the flashbang. Oh, I shouldn't have reloaded.
I have tac mask, but I told you that after you had your class. So unless you made 2 of them, then, dude. Oh, there I see it. Oh!
Oh man, if I was a little bit over, I would have had you.
Dude, the foul with select fire is just like me rapid firing, just with my finger. I just rapid fired right there. That was just a rapid fire. Oh gosh. Yeah, boy. Oh man, I thought I was gonna get that. Dude, the foul's so overpowered. This is gonna be a very quick game. Oh, what? Whoa. That was nice, bro. Are you kidding me? Okay, I was like, if I lost that gunfight, do I have scavenger on? No way I have scav back. No? That's what I thought.
Oh, well, I had you. This is actually a pretty good game.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I'm behind her. I'm now. We're not on Call of Duty you play. I'm actually doing pretty good against you.
Oh my, dang. Yeah, what's your class? What attachments do you have with the FAL?
Okay, don't kill me. Okay, so I have black jacket, toughness, fast hands, dexterity, good silence, mountain embedding, 2 flashbangs, FAO with select fire, 4 grip, and reflex, and 3R with a long barrel.
Reflex and foregrip? Oh, the reflex sight? Oh, no wonder you're having so... I was going to say, how are you killing me so often? I was going to say, this score would be a lot lower with me. If I kill you, I might see if I can take your class. I knew you'd do that. I just had such a good feeling. Dude, Dakota, you make me so sad. Oh, bruh, you liar. You had the B-23R in hand.
What? I'm done.
Yes, you did. I just picked up your B-23R weapon.
Not because it gives you an ammo pack, because you probably have to get silly on.
I feel like you cheated.
No, I didn't. Okay, now we're equal.
You kidding me? Wow. Alright, we gotta have another gunfight. Dude, I probably would have beat you if you never had that one kill. You said don't kill me, and then you come up right behind me and spawn there, right, to kill me. I was like, what the heck?
Spawn trap, bro. As soon as you die.
No, you didn't spawn trap. You didn't spawn trap. You were like right next to me. I think you spawned there. I was coming. I didn't realize you were there. You said don't kill me, so I didn't. I ran away, and then you come up and kill me. So what gun are we gonna use?
Oh, 1 second.
I think I have a good scumbagger's cloth. You want to use... Alright, I'll name them off. MP7, PDW, Vector, MSMC, Chicom, Scorpion, MTAR, Type 25, SWAT, FAL, M27, SCAR, SMR, M8A1, AN.
You're not gonna like this, but the SMR.
Bro, why are you picking these scumbag weapons? Wait. You only won that because you had that one good kill because I was not paying attention at all. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it.
Fine, no secondary, no secondary.
I never used a secondary.
I'm taking mine off then.
You know what? I'm being a scumbag like you. Everybody see this? Make sure everybody see this thing right here that I got in my hands right here. I'm gonna change this dude because Dakota. You know what? Just in case, because you never know when Dakota's gonna come out scumbagish. All right, ready? You know what? I didn't like this. I really didn't.
It's not like mine. I can 100% guarantee it.
Alright, I'm doing it. Dude, this is full scumbag. Wait, you want to go to 30 this time? Or 20 or what?
Again.
Okay, 20?
Whatever you want.
Yeah, that's right. This one guy sent me a friend request. I have no idea who he is. LSU Tigers.
Oh, dude, we were playing with them earlier. Remember that?
Oh, we were playing with him earlier?
Yeah,
On Dom?
Burner, dude, on the up team.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Jeez, I'm caught. This is weird. Okay, sorry for the annoying noises. It's my chair. Alright, I'm coming out, scumbag. Oh my gosh, Dakota, what was that?
I
Oh!
don't know.
Jeez, I didn't... What do you mean you don't know? Dude, I'm better than... Oh my gosh, if you actually kill me through all this... Oh! Holy crap, dude. Dude, you never know where you're gonna be next. You're literally so scumbag. Alright, make sure this thing is on. Dude, come on. Are you camping? Oh my gosh, scared me to death.
I have to reload. Okay, now I do.
Wait, why no C4s? We never said that. You just mad because I'm killing you 24/7. No, you just mad because I'm killing you 24/7. And we can use C4s as much as we can use a reflex sight. Do you have reflex on?
Yeah.
I think you're just better than me with the reflex. Dang it, that was a waste. That was a good headshot.
I'm a magician. Magician.
Oh my gosh! Dude, you freaked me there. Oh my gosh, the moments in Call of Duty where you get so...
I thought you.
Dude, where are you?
Hi, babies.
Hi. Dude, where are you? Oh, I knew you were gonna be a scumbag. Come on, camper.
I'm not being a scumbag. I'm calling being a ninja.
No, it's called being a colonel. What? Okay, I'm calling hacks on that one. I am definitely calling hacks. I have to see this because you're hacking, boy.
I'm gonna play this.
Oh, you took my SMR! Dude, cheater! Dude, get your own back, dude. That is scumbagish. You're only winning. I was gonna say, you're only winning because you used mine. You're only winning because you used mine.
Time.
Dude, come on. Nice. Whatever that was called.
Now you believe that I'm a ninja?
No. You're only winning because you're sneaking up behind me. Dude, alright, we have to do face to face. You're only winning because you're camping and hiding.
Oh, really? I'm not even running around.
Dude, we have to tell each other where we are and then find each other. Because you're so hiding right. Dude, you're... Alright, you're not winning. You're not winning. You're not winning, dude. You're not winning.
Why are you CSing?
No, you're not winning. You are so... Dude, you're camping.
No, I'm not.
Dude, you just said it earlier. You were camping. Or what is it called? Being a ninja or something like
Being
that?
a ninja.
That's basically camping, bro.
Not really. Being a ninja and camping are way.
Whoa, not completely different things. Oh, you're behind me, aren't you? You're gonna end up behind me. Dude, where are you? Dude, come on! You have to face me face to face, though. That's not fair.
I was aiming at your face.
No, you have to face me. I have to be able to see you. It's not fair that you're getting so much kills. You have to, like... Because we need to see who's better. We're not seeing who's better at... What's it? We're not seeing who's better at being a ninja. We're seeing who's better at... with SMR. So much of your kills are you just sat there camping on me. Not sat there, but you know what I mean, I think. Hey, bro.
Ninja.
Ninja!
Ninja.
Ninja! No! Lucky killer. With all my ninja heart. Whoa! Camping. Liar.
Bro.
Cheater. Hacker. Bedtime story. Whoa. What? How did that not kill you? Dude, I think I have to run around ducking. So basically I can't run at all. When I face you, I can't run no matter what. I got you on my eyesight.
No.
How did you kill me?
One, you were like right in front of me, and two, I trigger faster. Trying to kill myself because I'm too steady.
You don't trigger faster, you just have that one get thing. No. What's that one thing? Select fire.
So you.
Yeah, but you said you shoot faster. How do you shoot faster when you don't really necessarily shoot at all? No. Dakota, where are you? Dakota. Where are you?
I don't wanna.
Please tell me where you are. 'Cause you're dead, boy! Dude, this is so hype! Whoa! Oh yeah! Going hype! Going hype!
That was a good game, you gotta admit.
Yes, it was. Good game. Great game. So thanks, guys, for watching with the double commentary. Did not think that would actually take 18 minutes. But otherwise, just thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. We'll be back with some more videos soon. But nonetheless, see y'all later.